Hey y'all, in today's video, we're going to be talking about a basic introduction to implicit differentiation in calculus. Now let's look at the four main types. So first up, we have explicit equations, is what most of us have been working with, where we express one variable in terms of the other, such as f of x equals x squared and y equals sine x. Here we can clearly see if x is some value, we know that y is going to be another value. And we're expressing one variable in terms of the other. Number two, we have explicit differentiation, where we're taking the derivative with respect to x, which is basically all the problems that we've been doing in the past with basic derivatives. Third up is we have implicit equations, which shows an implied relationship, such as x squared equals y squared, x squared plus y squared equals 4. Last but not least, we have implicit differentiation, which is what we're going to be focusing on. Now, here's how we actually do implicit differentiation. Number one is we differentiate with respect to x, and then tax, or for any y's in the equation, we add on a dy over dx, and then we isolate dy over dx in order to solve for it. So let's say we have the following example. X equals y squared. So first we take the derivative of this equation with respect to x, and we know on the left-hand side, since we're taking it with respect to x, it's just going to become 1. On the right-hand side, we're going to use the power rule, bring the 2 down, so it's 2y. But remember, we have to tax the y's, so it's 2y times dy over dx. And then we basically divide both sides by 2y, and we get dy over dx equals 1 over 2y. Next up, we have sine x plus y squared equals 3. We do the same thing. We take the derivative of the entire equation with respect to x, and since it's sine of x, since that's an x variable, we can just do cosine of x plus 2y, again power rule, times dy over dx. And then obviously the derivative of a constant is just 0, so equals 0. And then we move cosine of x to the right hand side, which makes it negative cosine of x divided by 2y. So we get dy over dx equals negative cosine of x over 2y. Hope this video helped. Comment down below any other math topics you want me to review. Thank you.